Well, first of all, thank you. Thank you very much, Steve, for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Really appreciate it. So you're giving your lecture, your talk this afternoon. Tell us a little bit about what it's going to be on.
I'm going to tell the audience about our discovery that topology plays a surprising role in Earth's atmosphere and oceans. And then I'll talk about how we're broadening the range, the scope of this discovery to other systems.
It's quite an important discovery, wasn't it?
Yeah, and quite surprising. We connected quantum physics from the quantum Hall effect to Earth's atmosphere and oceans, so it really was kind of astonishing.
And maybe opened up a whole new field of inquiry.
Yes.
When it comes to theoretical physics, what kind of role do you think theoretical physics has when it comes to studying climate change?
So I think that we can make connections between different areas of physics by taking a very broad view of things. So avoiding this kind of siloing of the subject into different areas like quantum physics, fluid mechanics, looking at connections and making those between these different parts.
And also, you know, the debate on climate science and climate change is an awkward one at the moment. What role do you think physicists can have with that? Because it's so important, isn't it?
Right. So I think one way we can contribute is just by contributing to a greater appreciation of the beauty of the climate system, the amazing ways that it works, so that the public will see it not just as a problem, which is how it's usually presented in the media, but that there's some really wonderful aspects to it that deserve our attention. Another way is by listening. So we know that just presenting a whole bunch of facts doesn't usually move the bar. So if physicists are willing to listen and try to reach a common ground, then I think they can make some contribution.
And what's next for you?
So we're going to continue exploring the ramifications of this discovery, pushing it to different realms, also trying to apply it directly to observations of Earth's atmosphere and ocean to see whether we can discern topological features directly from those observations.
Now, you're a fellow and a lifetime member of the APS. I've got to ask you, how important has the APS been to your career?
It's been very important, going to meetings like this. I also served on the council and the board of directors, helping to set policy directions. But I think that the most important thing that I've done with APS is help to start the topical group on the physics of climate, which got off to a rather rough start, but now is really thriving. And there are some great young people that are now in the leadership of that group, and it's really taken off. So that's been a great pleasure for me to witness.
Well, thank you. Thank you very much indeed for joining us. We really appreciate it.
Thank you. I appreciate it.